So far in this chapter, we have discussed the first phase, that is static electricity, that deals with the charges at rest. Okay. Now come to the second phase, that is current electricity, and current electricity deals with the charges in motion. Okay. When charges are moving from one point to the another, then we say that current electricity. Okay. So the first term that associates with the current electricity is the electric current. Okay. Electric current is the rate of flow of charge. Okay. So the definition is the rate of flow of charge is known as electric current, and it is denoted by capital I. Okay. Imagine if Q coulomb charge is flowing in t seconds. Okay. If Q coulomb charge is flowing in t seconds from one point to another, then the electric current I is given by Q by T. Okay. So this is the expression for the electric current, the rate of flow of charge. Okay. If Q coulomb charge is flowing from one point to another in time t, then the electric current is given by I is equal to Q by T. The unit of electric current is coulomb per second, is known as ampere. Okay. Is known as ampere. The SI unit of electric current is ampere, and it is denoted by capital A. Okay. Now come to the direction of electric current. Since the electric current is the rate of flow of charge, and there are two types of charges, positive and negative. Okay. So when positive charge is flowing from one point to another, imagine if positive charge Q is flowing in this direction. Okay. Then the current I will also be in the same direction. Okay. It means the electric current is in the direction of the flow of positive charge, or the charge may be negative. Okay. If negative charge minus Q, this is the negative charge, is flowing in this direction, then the electric current will be opposite to the flow of negative charge. Okay. So the direction of electric current is in the direction of the flow of positive charge, or opposite to the flow of negative charge. Okay. So we can write the direction of electric current is in the direction of flow of positive charge or opposite to the flow of negative charge. Okay. So this statement is for the direction of electric current. the direction of electric current is in the direction of the flow of the positive charge or opposite to the flow of the negative charge. Okay, note it down.